Hey folks, welcome back to Dr. K, your ultimate source for solving those annoying body problems everyone faces but nobody talks about. Today we're tackling something that hits all of us at the worst possible moments. Those pesky, embarrassing, conversation-stopping hiccups. Have you ever been in the middle of an important meeting or a first date when suddenly you can't stop hiccuping? Frustrating, right? Well, by the end of this video, you'll have 7 proven methods to destroy those hiccups instantly. So let's dive in. First, let's understand what's actually happening in your body. Hiccups aren't just random, they're sudden, involuntary spasms of your diaphragm muscle that make your vocal cords snap shut, creating that annoying sound. And while most hiccups are totally normal, if they last more than 2 hours, that's when you need to see a doctor immediately. This could be signaling something serious like stroke, renal disease, or even brain tumors. But don't panic, that's extremely rare. So what causes these annoying little monsters? Let me break it down. Eating too fast or too much at once. Downing those fizzy sodas like there's no tomorrow. Spicy foods setting your diaphragm on fire. Alcohol throwing your nervous system off balance. Or even just being super excited or stressed out. But enough about causes, you want solutions. Here are my 7 guaranteed hiccup destroyers that work like magic. Number 1. Breathing technique. Take a deep breath, hold it for 10 seconds, then exhale slowly. Do this for at least 3 minutes, and those hiccups will surrender. This resets your breathing pattern and tells your diaphragm to calm down. Number 2. Pressure points. Apply gentle pressure with your hand just below your sternum. This is your diaphragm's sweet spot. Press for 20-30 seconds while taking slow breaths. This is the technique doctors use. Number 3. The sugar hack. Place a teaspoon of granulated sugar on your tongue and let it melt slowly before swallowing. The sensation overwhelms your nerve endings and forces your hiccups to retreat. Science shows this works in 95% of cases. Number 4. Ice water surprise. Gargle with ice. Cold water for 30 seconds. The sudden temperature change shocks your system and resets those diaphragm spasms instantly. Number 5. Peanut butter cure. Take a spoonful of peanut butter and let it dissolve slowly in your mouth. The combination of swallowing and the thick texture forces your breathing pattern to change, ending those hiccups. Number 6. The distraction method. Have someone ask you unexpected, complex questions that require focus. What was your 3rd grade teacher's middle name? Your brain shifts focus and forgets to hiccup. Number 7. Carotid massage. For persistent hiccups, gently massage your carotid artery on your neck in circular motions for 30 seconds. This stimulates your vagus nerve and stops those hiccups in their tracks. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Eat slower, take smaller portions, limit those fizzy drinks, and practice deep breathing exercises regularly. Important: if your hiccups last more than 48 hours, this is not normal. It could be signaling serious conditions like GERD, renal failure, or nerve damage. See a doctor immediately. That's it, folks. These 7 methods will save you from hiccup embarrassment forever. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more health hacks that actually work. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching.